Minnesota is home to countless waterways that shape its communities. Fountain Lake has long been a destination for residents in Albert Lea, a place for recreation, wildlife, and connection. But over time, water quality declined, earning the lake a spot on the Minnesota Pollution Control Agency's Impaired Waters list. Recognizing the need for action, the Shell Rock River Watershed District launched a multi-phase restoration plan. With ISG's environmental expertise, along with partnerships and the Clean Water Land and Legacy Amendment, $9 million in state funding supported improvements for fish habitats, shorelines, and long-term ecological health. ISG took a nature-based approach to restoring Fountain Lake, incorporating designs that support native fish populations and aquatic vegetation. The team implemented 8 habitat designs, aligning with the Minnesota DNR's goal of creating a self-sustaining, lower Mississippi walleye strain. The project also supported shoreline stabilization and native aquatic vegetation growth. Natural shoreland protection is an alternative to stone and riprap armoring. It uses native vegetation and locally sourced hardwood trees to construct woody structures along the shoreline. These structures stabilize banks and enhance aquatic habitat. Fountain Lake's restoration is more than an environmental success. It's an investment in the future of Albert Lea. In a state defined by its lakes, this project ensures one of its many treasured waters remains healthy for generations to come.